Hello language learners and word enthusiasts. Welcome back to another episode of Word of the Day. Today we're venturing into the exciting world of English vocabulary with a word that's as vibrant as it is challenging. Our word of the day is obstreperous. Obstreperous, spelled Obstreperous. This adjective originates from the Latin word obstreperous, which means noisy or glamorous. Its essence has been retained in modern English. Obstreperous describes something or someone that's noisily and stubbornly defiant, or someone causing trouble and uncontrolled. If a child is being loud, unruly, and resisting discipline, they are being obstreperous. Let's put obstreperous into a sentence. The teacher had a tough day managing the obstreperous students who were unusually loud and uncooperative. Another example could be, the obstreperous crowd at the concert made it difficult for security to maintain order. Let's explore some synonyms to enhance our understanding. Synonyms for obstreperous include rowdy, unruly, boisterous, loud, and raucous. Each of these words carries a similar sense of noisy disorder, adding depth and flexibility to your vocabulary. And there you have it, obstreperous, a word that sings with the sound of clamor and defiance. As you navigate your language learning journey, remember that even the most obstreperous words can be tamed. That's it for today's word of the day. Use obstreperous in a sentence, impress your friends, and don't miss the next enriching episode. Until then, keep exploring the world, one word at a time.